guys, let's do spring cleaning with Ata Princess.
Hi guys.
Put it there. So this is our first YouTube channel. This is actually the first one. So
Kupin the olas. I'm gonna kupin the bacon. Here. Ita kanya Amber.
this is
That's
mine.
small.
That's mine. This is
Oh, siyak ito
Okay.
yun.
Okay.
Nabatit dito.
Okay, let's go. Bas si teta, ito bagin rin.
Lasit dito.
Go.
Wala pa yung misap.
We're
No,
gonna
not there. Here.
then where?
The other side.
Because it's my dad's and mom's. Ugh. Why do I still need to dig in? Need help. Elena!
Me.
Then when we're done with this, we're gonna go outside. Who wants some?
No, we're gonna aircon here.
Are you sure that's good?
Go, wait.
It's also baliktad.
Hoy, batam natan.
So we're almost done, you guys.
Then we're gonna
And we're gonna aircon here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Walis my guitar. Walis. Hindi pwede magwalis.
put that back in the
Bagsak.
kusina.
Bagsak.
Oh!
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. This is my guitar.
Hoy, nagulo sa iyo.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
No! Wait lang!
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. This guitar is the best. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
That's not even a guitar!
Oh my god, it doesn't need to be perfect. My mom, my Miss Blight.
Miss Blight, Tita Blake is gonna be galit
Sa akin. Why?
to us.
Oh yeah.
Duh.
Kuya Ambi because he sleeps a lot. Mother, eight things mother hate. When I sleep too much. When I don't sleep. No. If you have school, yeah, she will get mad if you sleep in. But if you don't have school, she will not get angry. Did you even learn that? Ape matduad ta ate. Ape good ta, di ba? Doon tayo tamisa. And the stuff, this milkshake will
No,
in
wait.
the middle.
Wait!
Apay. It doesn't need to be perfect.
Perfect.
Don't be suspicious. Don't sleep too much. Don't be suspicious.
Wait,
Let's go to school.
Ada pang ipanak.
Ito lang, di pa yung panakot. It doesn't need to be
nagibig ka.
perfect. Apay, kailangan. Why does it need to be perfect kasi?
Kita mo, gigit man niya.
Agibitak ka di. Dal.
Uyo ka.
Naapin mo ka, agibit na. Hamot na ko.
Agpadpadala, di pa uyo. Now we're done.
Okay, where's the tape? Where's the freaking tape?
Close the door. Ngilaw is gonna come here.
Okay, guys. Mommy, saan tayo mapanen? Yay! So, guys, you know that it's so cold. I'm almost gonna be freezing like an ice cube. We are almost gonna turn into an ice cube because it's so cold. Look at the weather. See? You can see the weather. Did you see it? It's so cold. We're almost gonna turn into ice cubes. Like ice cube person, like blah blah blah. So let Ata Princess talk for a while.
Hi
Guys, can you watch Ata Princess for me? I'm gonna go somewhere.
Saan ka lang kami sakbay nag-comment? Ay, kumuha ka?
Hey! Alam mo, ako.
Sukat lang. Wait, I'm gonna show them something.
Look at our bathroom. It's so small.
Soap. And look at this. This is not even working.
That's our
Sick.
That's our sink. And do you want to see something disgusting?
Yeah.
Do you want to see? Comment. Ew.
That what we're gonna show you.
Look. Look at that. Do you see it? Do you see it? Look at that.
Yeah.
Ew. I don't want to talk about that. So I'm going back. So I just came back from the other side to the other side, and it stinks. Really stinks.
Look at me. Yeah.
Can you watch At Amber for us, guys? Okay, now. We're almost gonna turn into ice cubes. Ew, so cold! We're almost gonna turn into ice cubes. So, guys, can you watch me for a minute? Hide and seek. You must hide. I must hide. Go. Okay, guys, you may now open your eyes. April Fool's joke, even though it's in what? So guys, let's go. Let's go.
We're going to climb.
And while I'm gonna do this, can you please video her?
Hi guys. Here. I'm getting I'm going to punas it.
Nasa mo para malinisan. Face, 18 dapat or 25 ba? Bayad ba? Lako.
We're going to organize it. Hands for. Watch down there. There. Japanese and then At saka yung 20 at 10 amin dito babata pa hindi ako.
These we're gonna pause later. Roblox, we're gonna play the Mimic or Brookhaven. Yeah, we're gonna play. Okay, bye.
I said this, come here.
So bye guys. Say bye guys.
Bye. I already said.